Well, hi everybody, Mindy here, and I want to have kind of a special edition of the Magic EA update today because something really exciting happened on Thursday, which was, today's Sunday, but Thursday was March 28th, and what happened is this account that I've been showing you, which has been trading the 30-minute time frames since January 7th, broke 100% profit. 100% profit on Thursday. That is 57 trading days. So anyway, if I counted them correctly, I think it's 57 trading days or 59, something like that. But anyway, the account started with $10,000, and on Thursday, the balance broke $20,000. So that means that it has made 100% profit since January 7th, from January 7th to March 28th. Okay, and so anyway, I wanted to take some time to kind of look at this and analyze it for you so that you could kind of get a feeling for what exactly happened here. Now, you can see that currently we are carrying $1,725 in negative PL. Right? So what that means is the equity balance is not up 100% quite yet, but it is up $8,459. So it's up 84% in equity profit, right? But like I have told you over and over during these Magic EA updates, negative PL is temporary. And it goes up and down, and right now it's kind of on the high side of where it's been. Now, honestly, I do not remember a time since this account started trading that the negative PL has been above $2,100, something like that. So, it's kind of on the higher end right now of what it does. Right? But what we can expect to see is it might go higher than this, but sooner or later it'll go back down. There have been several times over the course of this project that the negative PL has been back down into the like $400, $500, $600 range. Several different times, right? Now, if we want to take a look at the trades that are still stuck in here, I have them sorted right now by time. So the oldest trade is at the top of the list and the newest trade is down here at the bottom. So if we look up at the top of the list, what we see is that the oldest trade currently is from February 1st. Okay, so the account started trading January 7th. So you can see that all of the January trades have cleared out. And when we look at this trade from February 1st, that's the only trade that we still have left from the month of February. But we do have trades from March 1st. We have 3 trades that are still here from March 1st. We have 1 from March 4th. So really everything from here up is kind of old trades, right? But they'll come out sooner or later. And then we jump from March 4th to March 20th. Okay, and that was only about a week and a half ago, so these trades aren't really that old. But we have 1 from the 20th. We have 1, 2, 3 from the 21st of March. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 from the 22nd of March. 1, 2 from the 26th. And 3 from the 27th. 4 from the 28th. And 2 from the 29th. So half of the trades in here are from last week. right? Essentially everything from here down is trades that happened last week, right? So they're not old trades at all. But the oldest trade in here currently is from February 1st. So it's getting kind of dated. But that's okay. It'll come out sooner or later. They all do. Okay? But that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Now, I'd like to go to the account history and show you again all of the history from this account. Now, I have it sorted by time, and we can see that the first trade went in on January 7th. Now, I'm not going to force you guys to listen to me count these trades, but what I did is I went through and I did count the trades. Now, the original trades, there were 477 original trades, and then the trades that I call series trades, which are like original trades, there was 154. So, when you combine the original and the series trades, there were 631 unique original trades that have gone in since January 7th. So that's about, 200 or so per month. Just a little over 200 trades per month on average. Okay? Now, 67 of those 631 trades hedged. Okay? Now, some of them hedged and quick fixed one time. Others of them hedged and quick fixed over and over and over again. Okay? But over the course of the 3 months, essentially, that the account's been running, actually it's about a week less than 3 months, there have been 67 unique hedges. And when we go back to our trade tab, we see that currently there are 8 current. So currently there are 8 hedges. There have been 67. So what that means is that 59 of them essentially have gone ahead and cleared off the board. And they've taken their original trades with them, right? So I wanted to show you that, and then I just wanted you to kind of get a feel for what 1,243 unique trades looks like. Because by the time we have the original trades, the series trades, the hedges, and the quick fixers that go with the hedges, there have been 1,243 trades that have closed so far in this account. So I'm just going to scroll this scroll bar down. You can see how tiny the scroll bar is, and we'll just see how long it takes to scroll to the bottom. Okay, this will be fun. Here we go. And I'm just holding down the scroll bar, and you can see how often there'll be a whole bunch of original trades that go in together, and then there'll be a whole bunch of hedges, that quick fixers that come out, go in and out together. And as we scroll down here, we just see that almost all of the trades close on their profit stop, right? Very few of the trades actually close on the green box, which is the profit target. But that's not the point of the EA. The point is not to get a big profit on any one trade. The point of the EA is to make sure that every trade closes for a profit. And that's what this EA does, okay? Now, the Magic EA not only closes the trades for profits, but it also finds the trades and places them for you. So you can literally just turn the EA on and go to work or go to sleep or go play golf or do whatever you like to do. The EA is going to open positions, manage those positions, and close them for you, making sure that every trade closes for a profit. And I don't know where else in the world you're ever going to find an EA like this. It really is magic. Okay, bingo. We finally got to the bottom of the scroll bar, and we see that the balance in the closed positions is $20,184, but the count started with $10,000. So that means that when we look over on the left side, we see that the booked profit since it started trading, $10,184.59. Okay, so anyway, I just think this is absolutely amazing. I couldn't be happier with these results, although I know that I will be happier with the results in the next few weeks, because this account, from the time it started trading, the settings have not been changed. Okay? Now, on some of the other accounts that I've been showing you day to day, I have been tweaking the settings occasionally on the weekends, trying to find better settings. This particular account did not have anybody manually interfering with it at all, and the settings have not been changed since January 7th. Okay? So anyway, there you have today's update. It's just, I could not be happier with these results, because honestly, when I developed the EA, I developed it as an enhancement to the manual trading that you already do. I didn't really create it to be a replacement for manual trading. But if it's going to book 100% profit every 3 months, I think that could be a replacement for some of you who maybe aren't very good manual traders. Okay? Now, the thing is, there's no guarantee that this EA would produce 100% profit every 90 days, because it all depends on how the market moves. The EA was developed to work best with high volume and high volatility. And honestly, the markets have not been very volatile the last 3 months. So maybe in the future, if we get some really active Forex markets, the results would be better. But there's no guarantee, that the markets will move in a way that's going to produce these kind of results, every month or every 3 months or something like that. We just don't know, because nobody knows from one day to the next what the Forex markets are going to do. But we do have almost 3 months of history. In another week, we'll have 3 full months of history. And, the results have been fairly consistent, week in and week out. Some weeks have been exceptionally high. There have been some weeks when the EA did over $1,500 in a week. There have been other weeks when it did $400 or $500. But that's a pretty consistent range. We haven't had any weeks at all where it lost money or even was close to being break even. But we've had some weeks that have been especially high. And the thing is, what makes the EA make more money some weeks than other weeks is the fact that some weeks there are a lot of hedges and quick fixers working, and other weeks they're not. Okay, because the EA is going to make more money on times when it has hedges and quick fixes that are working their way out, because the hedges and the quick fixers make way more money per trade than the original trades do. And the original trades are the trades that we intend to take. The hedges are essentially trades that went ugly. They were things that most people would be taking stop losses on. But I don't believe in taking losses on Forex trades, because I know that sooner or later every trade you take in Forex is going to be fine. It's just a matter of how you manage your way out of that trade. Okay? And that's what the EA does. It manages its way out of every trade, whether the trade goes positive right from the get-go or whether it goes negative. Okay? So it's kind of like a no-lose situation, right? And the other thing that I wanted to tell you guys is that I do currently have the new updates to the EA, where I have added several different, actually, protections against something happening and forcing the EA into a situation where it just makes too many trades, more trades than the account could afford to manage. Okay, so we didn't have those protections here, but I have added those protections to new demo accounts, and beginning next week I'm going to be starting the trials on version 42 of the Magic EA, and that is the version that will have the protections in it so that the account can't do this as far as going more negative PL than we want to take. Okay, so I'll be explaining those new enhancements to the EA this coming week. So stay tuned for those updates. But I wanted to show you this tonight because it's Sunday. Actually, it's Sunday morning about 3:45. The Forex market will be opening in about 12 hours. And I've been wanting to do this video for you for 3 days since Thursday, when this actually went above $20,000. And I've been so busy, I haven't had time to do it. So this was the first time that I've had a chance to do this video for you. So if you're interested in the Magic EA and how to get it for your accounts, please come to my website, which is www.mindyyost.com, and you can get more information about the Magic EA right here on the front of my website. The Shop Now button will take you to where you can purchase the Magic EA, and I'm not kidding, sometime in the next week the prices will be going up. So if you're interested in buying a license to the Magic EA, this is the week to do it. Okay? The prices will be going up in about a week and a half, something like that. Okay? But anyway, there you have it. And I hope everybody has a wonderful trading week this week. And I will be doing some more updates on the Magic EA in a couple of days. Getting busier and busier with new students and new users of the Magic EA. And so my students and getting people lined up with their new licenses for the Magic EA, that is my primary focus. So unfortunately, my updates to the Magic EA are kind of having to take a back seat, and I apologize for that. I love doing these videos and showing you guys what's happening, but you know, I have to take care of my students first. So anyway, that's about all I have to say today, and I'll be back in a few days. Happy trading, everybody. Bye for now.